Hello, parents, guardians, community members. My name is Mr. Smalls. I'm here to talk to you about Manhattan Business Academy and the various programs and activities that we can offer your child here at MBA. Manhattan Business Academy is a highly effective school, and we have been in operation for the past 10 years. Our school is a career and technical education school, and we currently have a 90% graduation rate. That 90% graduation rate far exceeds the city average as it stands right now, so we're very proud of that fact. One of the things also with our school, we have high expectations for our students, and we have a rigorous curriculum that is embedded with CTE business curriculum as well. So here at MBA, we have AP classes, honors classes, and we have a 3-year business sequence. So now I would like to pass this off to my colleague, Ms. Katie Wu.
Thank you, Mr. Small. Here at MBA, we have 3 tenets that serve as the cornerstone and foundation of MBA's philosophy. It's the 3 C's. It's care for the individual, collaborate around college instruction, and cultivate a love of learning. So here we see care for the individual. What does this mean exactly? It means your child will travel, grow, and learn with the same 14 to 16 peers for the 4 years they are in high school through our tested, tried and true advisory program. It means that your child, and by extension you and your family, have not only joined a high school, but a community and family. It means your child will have dedicated access to an amazing parent coordinator, Eliana Jimenez, who not only helps to run our PTA, but does an incredible job with outreach to students and parents alike. It means that our school's underlying philosophy is based on restorative practices, which help to develop our students into responsible and good citizens. It means your child will walk into a building with staff and students who know him or her individually. At our school, we know what the ultimate finish line is, and that is to be college ready, whether that is a public or private 4-year college or university, a 2-year program, or training at a vocational school. The preparation we make with your child is all the same. To that end, we are committed to collaborating around college prep instruction. So what does that look like at MBA for our students? It looks like 2 college trips freshman year and 2 college trips every year thereafter. Freshman year, our students will explore 2 local colleges, a college or university that our students can commute to by train or bus. This could be Pace University, the Manhattan campus, or Kingsborough Community College in Brooklyn. Or it could be walking around Columbia's campus uptown. The point is to get a sense of how many different types of campuses there are out there, and there is no better way than to visit different colleges. Each year, we'll take our students a little further and further away from MBA, sometimes even a 3-hour charter bus ride to visit a campus out of state or upstate New York. It means having dedicated resources and 2 guidance counselors, Jose Vasquez for 9th and 10th grade, and Nicole Henningham for 11th and 12th grade, who work with our students from the moment they step into our school and learning about positioning and ultimately applying for the colleges of their choice. In addition, it means an additional college counselor, Stefan Buffo, whose focus and mission is to help our students learn about and apply for their best fit college, as well as navigate the complicated process of applying for grants, scholarships, and applying for financial aid. We're very proud of our 98% college acceptance rate. And we're also very proud to be an AP for all school, as well as our LinkedIn College Now partnerships. All these relationships are ways that we offer access points to knowledge, but also access points in preparation for the rigors of college education. Finally, the 3rd tenet, cultivate a love of learning. So what does this mean exactly? What we mean is our teachers are not only focused on teaching content, but we're also focused on developing real-world applications and skills. So even in this current remote environment, we're not just looking at these platforms as a way of driving content, we're also teaching students skills, like how do you use a Google Doc to effectively collaborate and give a peer review? How do you annotate a text using Adobe Acrobat? How do we use the programs at our fingertips to create a meaningful product and connect with our audience? As a student-centered school, we also encourage and allow our students to take on leadership roles like creating their own club. All you have to do is get a group of 8 to 10 of your peers and a teacher to agree to be your club advisor. Just a few pictures to show what non-remote teaching looks like in our school. We have 2 field days a year, once at the beginning of the school year when the weather's still nice, and once in the late spring when the weather turns warmer. We also have a spare week where we have strand and advisory competitions. Our school has many, many extracurricular activities and sports offered, which Mr. Vasquez will speak about in a moment. But to highlight 3 key programs and clubs: Hudson Sail, Chill Snowboard, and Sing Theater Club. We encourage students to join Hudson Sail freshman year. You not only learn how to sail a boat, but you learn how to engineer and build one. In fact, the one you build is the one you climb aboard on the Hudson River, so you better do a good job or you're taking a bath. This club is amazing, and I've seen it firsthand because the accuracy of the calculations you make is the difference between you sailing on the Hudson River or swimming in it. Chill Snowboard. Our school has a long-running relationship with Chill. Last year, we were able to take 16 of our students to New Jersey every Wednesday for the winter season. Our students learned how to snowboard, which is fun, but they also learned how to pick themselves up when they fell, which is a life skill. Finally, our Sing Theater Club. Every year in the spring, our theater club writes, produces, and performs in an hour-and-a-half long play for our entire student body. As a club's advisor, I can tell you firsthand that yes, the students create a play, but the amount of organization and on-the-fly thinking that our students have to exhibit while working on this makes this club an integral part of their education, especially in a business school. Now, I'm going to pass the mic to Mr. Vasquez, who will speak to us about our college-bound programs.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Vasquez. I'm one of the guidance counselors at Manhattan Business Academy. I'll be explaining to you guys the college-bound programs that we offer at our school, as well as the clubs and activities that we also offer. We have 3 partnerships with college-bound programs. The first one is SEO, sponsors Equal Opportunity Program, and Minds Matters. They're basically an after-school program that assists you twice a week on Saturdays and 1 day of the week, and they prep you for college. They offer you SAT prep, they offer you mentorship, they offer you college application assistance, they help you apply for scholarships. It is difficult to get into, it's competitive because you want students who have a 90 average to excel academically and be driven to attend college. They do prepare you for college. Their goal is to prepare you for a 4-year college degree. They have 100% rate of students getting accepted into a 4-year college. The next one is College Now. Our students, we have a partnership with Baruch where you're allowed to take classes at Baruch College once or twice a week, and they offer you college credits. Students usually take classes as soon as sophomore year, and they could take advantage all the way through the senior year. Okay. The clubs and activities that we offer at our school are the anime club, the art club, business club, cheerleading, chemistry club, chess club, dance and step team, fitness club, glee club, the guitar club, the global citizenship club, MBA newspaper, open mic club, peer mediation, restorative justice, sing theater club, spirit squad, and yoga for all. As you can see, they're trying to combine your high school experience with an activity outside of school. That's the goal of the school. We strongly feel that if you are involved in clubs and after school activities, you will develop a stronger connection with our school, and you will also enjoy your high school experience. So by combining either college bound programs, you being involved in one of these clubs and activities, it will enhance your high school education and experience. Lastly, our school, we are a campus. We do share the building with other schools. So we are affiliated with PSAL Sports, that's Public Schools Athletic League. And we offer a lot of different sports open to the whole campus. Basketball for girls and boys. We have baseball, we have volleyball, we have bowling, softball, tennis, soccer, wrestling, and the track team. These are competitive sports. We have the whole building campus, and because some sports are extremely competitive, we do have for our own particular school as well, such as the basketball team we offer at our school. The whole goal of MBA is to connect you to something in our building, whether it is an activity, whether it is a club, whether it is a sport, whether it is a college bound program that you join, so that way you could enjoy your high school experience. Okay. The next step of our school is what our theme is business. So I'll pass this on to Mr. Smalls so he can explain it further.
Here at MBA, our business sequence focuses on three key areas: computer applications, entrepreneurship, and virtual enterprise, where students run a simulated business. I really wanted to talk to you real briefly about our business program, which is very comprehensive. We currently have 4 programs that focus on finance and entrepreneurship through our corporate partnerships. PJ Solomon is our investment banking partnership, Pencil, Malansky, and Productivity. All these corporate partners work with our students individually and collectively on prepare them for careers in business, finance, entrepreneurship, and the areas of marketing. This internship in this program is invaluable for our students because they gain firsthand knowledge and firsthand experience operating and working within a business setting. So, for example, we've had over the past 8 years students working at JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, Ernst & Young, Morgan Stanley, and many other investment banking and finance firms throughout New York City. This is an invaluable experience for our young people. How many young people, particularly in high school, can say they worked at Morgan Stanley, they worked at JP Morgan, they worked at Bank of America, working side by side with managers, vice presidents, and CEOs of major corporations? This is invaluable, and we feel like this is something that students can carry over in and outside the classroom. So, computer applications, what are they going to learn in there? Well, one, they will be learning about various aspects of how to operate a computer as it relates to business. For example, how to create a business letter, a resume, a cover letter, and how to transfer, upload, and transfer documents within a computer setting, more particularly dealing with Nearpod, dealing with Zoom, and other platforms that we've been using recently due to the pandemic. So we want our students to be very prepared for work in the field of business, but also any career that they choose, whether it be medical, whether it be acting, whether it be finance, and you name it. We want our students to be prepared for the various careers, and they can do that here at MBA. So one of the things that we do also in their junior year is students will create a comprehensive business plan that focus on a business of their choice. So we want students to think outside the box and think about becoming an employer as opposed to an employee. So in the entrepreneurship class, students will work in a think tank and they will come up with a business concept or a new business idea that they could bring to the marketplace. So what does that mean? That means coming up with a brand new app, coming up or opening up a new restaurant, opening up a new platform that could be a benefit for not only themselves but also the community. So we want students to be future leaders, and one of the ways they could be future leaders are thinking about issues or problems that exist and creating a business idea to solve those problems. So one of the things they'll do before they graduate is complete a business plan and do what is called a Shark Tank competition, where they'll present their business plan in front of a group of investors and also other teachers and educators throughout New York City. Their senior year, students will do what is called virtual enterprise. This is our capstone program that focuses on operating and developing a student-run business at the school. This is a simulated business, simulated meaning the money is not real, the company is not real, but all the operations and functions of the business are real. So we're going to have a CEO of the corporation, we're going to have somebody in the accounting department, somebody in the finance department, and other aspects of a major corporation. This program operates simultaneously with other VE firms throughout the country and throughout the world. So over the past 8 years, we've had students go to Germany, California, Tennessee, Chicago, and other areas as it relates to this program based on providing invaluable information on how to market, promote, and also sell their business idea. So this program gives students hands-on information and knowledge of how to operate and run a business. This program has led us to receive second, third place finishes in various competitions, which we're very, very proud of. One of the things our students end up doing as they graduate from the school is thinking about pursuing different areas of business college degrees. So we've had students attend various colleges and pursue a finance degree or a degree in marketing or accounting and other areas of business, which we also are very excited about. We want the experience at MBA to be transferable, especially when they're considering a career in business, entrepreneurship, or whatever they pursue in terms of career as overall. So these are the various aspects of MBA. We know making a college and high school choice is always difficult, but we believe that with the right information and being well informed, you will make the right decision for your child. And speaking of colleges, one of the things we do as part of the VE program, we have what is called College Now. So your students can actually take college level courses starting their sophomore year at Baruch, BMCC, and some other universities that we're affiliated with. This, once again, is invaluable because now your child can actually take free college classes and literally leave MBA with 12 college classes under their belt if they start taking classes their sophomore year. What does that mean for you? That means money in your pocket. So we hope that some of this information that I share with you would help you make an informed decision. We know it won't be easy, but you have some great options of New York City schools, and I'm sure you'll make the right decision for your child. So hope this was helpful. Thank you, congratulations, and good luck.